After a lot of hype, finally OnePlus has launched its latest flagship killer, the OnePlus 3, and it seems to be a really loaded offering. As you can see with its spec sheet, you get Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor, 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and the likes. However, it will be competing against the Laico Lamax 2, which was launched recently and offers pretty similar specifications. You get Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor along with 6 GB of RAM. So in this video, let's take a quick look at how these devices are different and which one seems to be a better deal for you. As you can see, both the devices are phablets. However, the OnePlus 3 is smaller thanks to its 5.5-inch display, while the Lamax 2 offers larger 5.7-inch display. Another point of difference when we talk about the displays of these devices is the fact that the OnePlus 3 offers 1080p resolution only, while the Laico Lamax 2 offers an eye-popping 2K resolution and thus is more sharper. However, to the naked eye, even a full HD resolution is pretty good. In terms of colors, both devices are vibrant and display offers good viewing angles as well. Brightness isn't an issue either. Talking about the design language of both these devices, they are starkly different. The OnePlus 3 is different from its predecessors as well. However, it looks really good thanks to its aluminum unibody, which seems to be inspired by STC's design language. But it's really light and is very slim as well at 7.3 mm. Laico Lamax 2, on the other hand, is quite thick in comparison, and it's also bulky. You feel that you are holding a bulkier device, especially when you try it after the OnePlus 3. Having said that, it's not that big of a deal because you will get comfortable with the weight after a little while. But if you are looking for a lightweight option, then OnePlus 3 definitely beats the Laico Lamax 2. Both the devices offer hardware buttons at the bottom. However, the home button on the OnePlus 3 doubles up as a fingerprint scanner for enhanced security, while Laico Lamax 2 offers a fingerprint scanner at the back of the device, which is mirror finished just like predecessor Laico Lamax. In both the devices, you can see that the camera protrudes out. However, in case of OnePlus 3, the protrusion isn't as bad. On software side of things, the OnePlus 3 offers latest version of Android, which stands at Android 6.0 Marshmallow, topped with company's own Oxygen OS. It's almost stock interface. However, you will notice interesting features such as Shelf, which is a dedicated home screen towards the left, and there are other options as well, such as the ability to customize your buttons. You can get on-screen navigation buttons as well on the device. You can also enable the dark mode, which turns the whole screen into black, which is nice. Another interesting feature on the OnePlus 3 is the alert slider, which allows you to change the notifications priority easily. The Laico Lamax 2, on the other hand, offers Android 6.0 Marshmallow with company's own custom UI, which is dubbed as EUI, and that stands at version 5.6. And it's also not as loaded as other custom UIs. You get mostly stock Android apps. However, you will see custom icons, and the fact that just like other Chinese UIs, you get unified home screen and app launcher. Laico is also playing the fact that it offers its ecosystem, which allows you the subscription of Yup TV, Eros Now, and other streaming applications for 1 year. So this is definitely a good news for those who want to consume multimedia on the go. Like we said earlier, both the devices feature similar hardware. You get Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 on both the devices, which is coupled with beefy 6 GB of RAM. And as you can see, there is literally nothing that can slow these devices down, be it high-end games or powerful applications. We believe that both the devices would be able to handle them very easily. On storage front, both the devices offer 64 GB of memory, and you can't expand that further, so you need to keep that in mind. For imagery, you get a 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture on the OnePlus 3, while the Leica Lumx seems to be better with its 21 megapixel camera along with dual LED flash. At the front, you get 8 megapixel camera for capturing selfies. Both the cameras seem to be pretty loaded. OnePlus 3 definitely gives you some interesting options, such as saving the images as RAW files, which lets you modify them later. And let's take a quick picture. As you can see, picture was taken extremely fast, which suggests that the device has very good shutter speed, and image also seems to be good even in lower conditions. You get 4K video recording options on both the OnePlus 3 as well as Leica Lumx 2. Let's take a quick look at the camera UI of Leica Lumx 2. The camera UI is pretty plain Jane and it focuses quickly. The picture was taken off pretty fast as well. And this picture also seems to be pretty nice with good details and colors. We will definitely check out how the cameras fare when we compare these devices in a proper testing environment. All that power doesn't help if your device doesn't last a day, and both the companies have ensured that with their 3000 mAh batteries. You also get fast charging on both the devices, while the OnePlus 3 offers dash charging, which is company's proprietary technology built in-house, and the brand promises that you can charge your device up to 60% within 30 minutes. On the other hand, the Leica Lumx 2 offers Qualcomm's quick charging solution, and it should also be charged quickly. On both the devices, you get USB Type-C connector. But another interesting thing to note in the Leica Lumx 2 is that it has ditched the 3.5mm audio socket, which means that you have to listen to audio through the USB Type-C port only, and the company has developed its own solution for the same, dubbed as CDLA, which promises super audio experience. However, for that you need to purchase the CDLA earphones separately. In comparison, you get the 3.5mm audio socket on the OnePlus 3. Overall, both the devices seem to be pretty similar in more than one aspects. However, if you talk about the OnePlus 3, it seems to be impressive of the two thanks to its sleek design, good handling, and the price tag of Rs 27,999. On the other hand, Leica Lumx 2 seems to be pretty powerful when we talk about its camera, and you also get its vast entertainment ecosystem, which is an icing on the cake. However, it's priced slightly higher, which is Rs 29,999. Although you can also get its lower price variant, which is priced at Rs 22,999, but offers 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. So you can't go wrong with any of these devices. But our choice as of now seems to be with OnePlus 3. If you like this video, please hit like if you like this video, and comment us with any of your queries regarding both these devices. We will back with more videos. This is Nitansh signing off. Thanks for watching. This is Nitansh signing off. Thanks for watching.